Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start a single player playthrough in Shift at Midnight. Let's begin by selecting Play, then go to Play Solo. Create a new save and select either Story Mode or Endless Mode. I only have Story Mode unlocked, so I select Story Mode. The game should start up normally. Here is a quick how to play. And let's begin. We are here. Let's begin. Let's go to the shop. And let me find the notice board. Where is the notice board? Ah, here it is. I'm sorry. I got into collecting the tokens. I'm sorry. Here is some objectives. Let me... Well, here we have our objectives then. I will leave you here, I think. From here you will know what to do. So thank you for watching. And please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.